you want to play bad? You want to play bad? The cockroach, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. Nope. What you going to do? Okay.
Me? Never again me look a girl off of social media. Me tell you say this one time me I scroll through the gram and a mama catch me you know. Dazzling. Me have to slide the mama DMs and ask her for her number. So boom, I get the number, you see me? Mama take a while to text me from app, so when she text me have to ask if the girl is from gram. You know what mama reply to me and say, no, Mandiver. You see through my name one mama feel like she done so me just play along with it. Me just gear the 2 and 2 me and I start talking now man. Mama tell me say I ate uncle them on her grandfather side I fought from foreign. So me the day I try make a joke me and say I say your grandfather that go on the film days. Like me need to go take a lesson. Mama look for me and tell me say, don't bite yourself, my grandfather not a pitney, my virgin. You see the way me did vex? Me have to stop text her, you see me? Mama say, oh she a text me so long and me not answer. I make up something and say, oh my phone screen did crap man. Mama say send a screenshot. Right now, me no care what no one say. You see man what add letters in mathematics? You want a box in your face? What temp your brother? Maths itself hard already. Much less me have to go figure out what is x and y. Tell me now, when me go walk going to a store and I ask the cashier, what's the perimeter of x divided by that water bottle? Oh, that's easy. First you want to calculate what is e. Huh? No! We're sick and tired of it now.
Ice cream truck pass through my lane and me just survive to it.
The letters are unnecessarily. They are not
Dazzling. Ah man, I know when me grow up, I did done.
But Jesus Christ, me did have a limit.
Some of them little pitney nowadays I call some of the dumbest thing them good idea. So I'm not tell you say this one time me and my little cousin I walk over a supermarket. We in a supermarket, my boss start twitch. So I say, yo, Bala, you good? Man look for me and say,
yeah.
You sure? Then I see him stop and start look for one snack, you see me? So I turn on and look for him, come here ask me if he want it. I see my boss do this. Everybody in the store start look for it. Notice how I say him and not we. The man come a cut left. The next time now my boss in a math class, them are the dollars and cents. A little girl must have forgot to put the decimal point. My boss ball out.
Picky that girl, where decimal point there?
Roger, you can't be using those indecent language in my class, you know.
All you come like the next biggie there too, you know.
Your ball, you might mute.
Yeah man, for the speaker cover them now, you know.
Hey, you see when him say little pitney chat now? You best believe little pitney chat now. So I'm not tell you say this one time I did a shop. One woman and her daughter and 4 other people. So we did the shop and the woman and her daughter get through. All of a sudden my ear.
Peppa Pig! Come in, I want to watch Peppa Pig.
That you want to go for watch Peppa Pig for our cable, alright?
Mommy, something wrong with our cable because only TV and CVM alone we get. And grandma have enough channel for fireworks.
Then I say mama try bust the girl shut up movement. So now the place gets silent and mama look round. All of a sudden she lock eye with me. So I just give her one of them here. Yo, so remember this one time, my charger give me a girl number for text her, right? Me and mama did they talk good enough. But there was one problem. Where mama supposed to have A-R-E, mama have O-R. But me not 3 meds it, you know. Cause me know say you have something named autocorrect. And a regular that cause problem for me. So boom now. One day mama decides she want to go on a video call. We did they talk normal, you know. All of a sudden, I see my little cousin get up. Walk come over to me and cover my speaker. So I say, Bala, where you cover my speaker for? The man say,
you know, to tell that girl I done to that passion, brother.
as the man said at my ear, boop, boop. I make quick for the call back mama. Cause me is a man, me not like my people feel away. I try call mama about 3 times. And then I see mama shot me a text and say, I can't see you anymore. But mama never spell C with S-E-E. Mama spell it with S-E-A. So me I say me fix mama grammar a little bit. Them I correct her and say S-E-E. I see mama send back another text and say, you and your brother are disrespectful. Mama spell disrespectful. D-E-S-C-E-P-T-F-U-L-L.
Tell us that girl I done to you.
Some of the people out there need to understand themselves in a society. Some man have title as best friend and friends. You see when I get the title as friend, you have to ask me if you want something. You see if you want to breathe the same air as me, you have to ask.
Mr. Capo, may I please breathe the same air as you, sir?
No! But you see when I get the title as best friend, I'm so supposed to operate.
Can't hear that. Bala stop moving now. I saw we grow. Why you say can't hear that? Yeah, move so brother. I don't like that. So what did I build by myself, you know? I mean, so yo, a full time I start make some side money. So I'm show up my friend Gregory. I asked him if him nah work can give me. Gregory say him have a brick delivery job can give me. No hesitation, me take that. The first day upon the job, we get the location for last delivery. Remember who they put the truck and the man them say, oh, them glad for go home after this cause them tired. So reach at the yard and we drop off the whole 1,500 black them. So you sit through my yard, they about 5 minute walk from which part I did there. But just tell the man them cut left me. I mean I talk hype and big in the man. So about 1 hour pass since the man them cut. I mean I say alright, it's time for me to lift up now. Only for hear my phone start ring.
Pablo, one day the black them there all long wait phone now.
Names calms down. With the rat in front there, you have to block them.
Pablo, stop shit on me. Yes, me there for 3 hours away from black them.
Well, under. No, lot 19.
No, me there lot 61.
At this point, I don't know what kind of luck I have. I remember this one time I was texting a girl. So I snap mama with the casual.
Hey, sup, you gov?
Mama say yeah. But instead she ask me if me gov. The text and say,
Your brother gov?
that's weird. Me just get her, 2 and 2 me and I start talk normal. Me I give her the lyrics, them you don't know.
Dazzling.
So I said to mama say, yo, now come circle the ends. Mama say yeah, but your brother go there? No man, 2 times in a row. You have to stop for a second and ask mama, why you keep on a call up my brother name?
I don't know, him just look nice and him voice just sound soft and him look cute.
So what about me? Stop it! Hey, see now this world, yeah? You have some different type of people. Remember one time when I did bun some game, I mean study. Charge a shot, me a text and ask me if me have the notes from EDPM class. I said no, but me I go ask Shirley. Boom, I shot mama a text. 20 minutes after me see a notification pop in front of her.
You know I can't bother with my boyfriend. Sometimes I feel I should give him bun. Oh, but I wish there was somebody else that I could date.
The man them second himself, me know now come talk about one she want me. Me not think me can manage to wake up and see this a morning time.
Good morning. Did you sleep well? Dazzling.
Boy, my neighbor them a different specimen here, man. Remember what day them there in my house on a building now? Me a word back on this from my neighbor them. Not even gunshot me run down my window so fast. I can't believe you really do me that, Stacey. After everything I do for you really gonna treat for me with the postman.
Postman, but think of the pizza man you find out about me there stress out myself.
Girl, you're wicked enough.
Either way you're not gonna do nothing about it, Gregory.
You want bet your life on that?
Me a bet you, Gregory. Try to come back on me yard.
2 weeks later, my boss come and about to my father. And I said Stacey go sleep with the landlord. Then come back at the house and tell him say him have 3 days. Him for pack him things them and come out of her house. Boy, I made it feel bad for Gregory. So I just tell him something for keep him comfort.
Gregory! Not tell nobody this year.
Boy, what did my charge your house burn down in? I know I'm not supposed to laugh, but how the man tell the story. The man say him there in him room and asleep. Him say him fan catch a fire and spread to the bed. But him say him only wake up when film room go from Christmas time to summer. Him wake up, the sheet it done up on fire. Normal person would have run go in the kitchen or the bathroom, catch a bucket of water and come show it on the bed.
My boss chose me run, go to the door, go feed hose, screw on the hose on the pipe, stretch out the hose and push the hose through the window. The time we take you for that, you could have full 2 bath of water. Just imagine how dumb the man look and stretch out the hose and him bed a burn up.
My boss say him do all of that, only for me I say mother oh water commission. So him start fret, and neighbor see me ask him if everything alright. The man turn around and say, My boss said the way him nervous him run go back in for watching bed burn for about 2 minutes straight. Then come back out to them and him job. Say him neighbor see him again. You sure you alright? Almost a bun down.
They say Jamaicans are ugly. Well, look at this one.
Wagons. Dazzling.
To the Prime Minister and the Ministry of Health. You can't fix that problem for me, please.
Every year round are the same thing.
Christmas time, sunlight. Summertime, sunlight. August, sunlight. Look on me.
2 years of bleaching.
You don't need a vaccine for that.
Yeah.
But you see this? Sweat me a sweat already. I'm only walk from back and forth in my yard. You don't need for go send no, sir. Up there for build a switch for sunlight, man. Click it off, man. Click it off. You see, growing up, my mother always tell me never for bad mind people. But Jesus, peace! Just imagine me almost 18. Now no, me not see a glow up. But them 12, 13-year-old come up and I have glow up already. Remember back in a primary school who are 12 have double teeth, who not have double teeth, have cracked teeth, who not have cracked teeth, have chipped teeth. The parents them will feed them. I'm link my mother with the recipe there for me, please. Now my primary school days, big body, tiny foot, wheelchair, boss could I get a girl. No, things change. If you don't have 2,000 followers on TikTok, can't chat to Stacy from Miss Duncan class. I don't know when me I gonna get my glow up. To the female were out there and I said I can go on. This is my morning face.
Dazzling. I like it, dog.
To the person who are out there who lost 5 bills and a ball said today the worst day of life, shut up! Because me want to know how me can day in my sleep, get a box and one bag of cousins and me need to got half a tree. I want pharmacy, go buy my grandfather medication them. So me have to get up while she slap me with the wet rag. Pick a bed, get dressed, take a transportation, go to half a trees, and then when we come out for the transportation, me have to walk 15 minutes straight. So me reach at the pharmacy and me I get ready for walk going to the store. Only for see this big old fat man stretch out him and I say, sir, stop. I say, sir, wait, me do that over. I say, sir, what is the problem? I can't let you go inside of the building, you know. Why, sir? Read the sign for me now. No mask, no entry.
So you tell me some live from Portmore, come out half a tree. Only for
Me want to be security in them face, you know.
But I never want him to turn me back. People me a walk come back, you know, forgot the bus terminus.
And this side say
Want give out palm. Yo, so remember this one time I chat to a mama, you know. So far, mama no show no sign of being a dunce. So I say, alright, my am just link me a Sovereign's Friday. Boom, 2 and 2 crossover. We meet up a Sovereign, but like a tension did there because the first time we see each other in person. So I say, alright, me run 1-2 joke with her. Boy, I would tell me you forgot that. Not one joke connect. It's like mama just no sense of humors. So boom, I forget the joke part. Me I say, alright, it's a serious girl this. So I say, alright, I buy a 1-2 Popeyes and chit chat. While we walk, I go butt my toe. All of a sudden, my ear.
Yo, I'm doing alpha.
They really tell me something could have look the girl dog and then you come look her.
Brother, like, you know that I'm just you could catch feelings here, brother.
Okay, you tell me something could have look the girl.
Capo. Capo,
You laugh. You think it's funny? But then, I think about the future with the girl. All I say, we're going to have kids. We're going to have a lot of young mini capos running around. And I'm going to look on her every morning and say, dazzling. And now you just take that from me. Why you look at her?
brother, it's like, me not.
Shut up.
But me not know, but me just like,
look for me. You don't rate me though.
Capo, boy.